You know the expression, it's a dog's life. No, it's not a dog's life. Dogs have it made. I wish I had a dog's life. Dogs eat, sleep, get taken out for a walk, to take a shit, and then they have a human picking up their shit. Nobody picks up my shit. I gotta pick up my own shit. I gotta wipe my own ass. It's not a dog's life. I wish I had a dog's life. And then there's the expression, I work like a dog. Dogs don't work. Dogs do absolutely nothing. They get treats and they get groomed. I mean, grooming is the highlight of a dog's life. And they have the better part of a dog's life or of any life because when they get groomed, it's like a meat market. They meet all these new dogs and they have an advantage over humans. See, dogs go in dirty, smelly, hairy and come out smelling amazing and shaved and cleaned and just, you know what you're getting when the dog's groomed. Humans, on the other hand, well, when humans go out to meet people or on a date or at a party, you see them. They present themselves clean, shaved, coiffed and smelling amazing and well dressed. And then we see the other side of them, which is their sloppiness, their dirty hair, and their smelly bodies. So it's not a dog's life. We are living a crappy life, but a dog's life is really the ideal life. So don't come tell me that it's a dog's life, because, honestly, I wish I had a dog's life.